Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got the stunning springtime scenes stamp set in front of me and an alarm going off on my phone. I want to make a quick trio of cards, so I have literally quickly in about 60 seconds cut down some 3x3 cards, 7.5 by 7.5 cards, and some white layers for it for the front. I probably could do with some on the inside as well, but we'll worry about that later. Just so that I can put them, and then I've got white cardstock that is 7 by 7 centimetres, so say 2 3/4 or 2 7/8 of an inch. So I've got 3 of them. I just want to make little quick cards with springtime scenes, and I've got my sentiments. We'll get through this together. Celebrate new beginnings, sweet springtime, sending lots of sunshine, and you brighten my day. So I want to make 3 different cards, so I'm using the Sharpie technique to go around the outlines. So what's this one? Springtime. Go around the outline of the ones that I want so that I know where to put them back. And celebrate new beginnings. And I'm going to go around the big leaf. Definitely the ladybird. The other not big leaf, and I think we are good. Right, so now that that is marked up, I can peel them off, and I want to put, I'm going to hold on to that, I want to put the sentiments on first. Do I want to put the sentiments on first? I don't know, I'm going to. Blocks out. I'm just going to have a desk full of blocks here, aren't I? And then I'm going to call it scratch paper, it's some very vanilla. Where is my memento? Here it is. So this one says celebrate new beginnings, and I'm going to put that in the top right of that one. This one says sweet springtime, and down towards the bottom. I probably should have stamped the newness off of these, but I haven't yet. And then you brighten my day. Off to one side. I'm going to hang on to that. I'm going to quickly clean these so that I can reuse them. Oh no, I'm not going to worry about that because I can use other blocks, can't I? So I want my little ladybird and my big leaves. And I'm going to outline these in different places. So there's one, and this one could handle a big part as well, just off to one side, and then the other one and now I'm going to come in with my ladybird because cute. That's 1, 2, and I hope there's room. 3. Okay, so we're getting there. We're beginning to bring in and build in some colour. I want my real red. So I'm going to start with a ladybird. So I've got a tiny block and my real red that I've just inked up, and wink of Stella. And let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to paint the body of these ladybirds. So you could stamp a whole batch of these and then sit in front of the telly and watch movies or films or what have you, and just gently colour them all in. But these are nice to have on hand, just to give out as and when needed, because obviously these are just because cards. And or you could, I was given this tip years ago, this lovely lady in America said that she carries a little tin, I think it was like an old cigar tin, a little tin with a whole batch of little 3x3 cards and envelopes in the tin, and when she left a tip for, you know, if she'd gone out for dinner or something, she would put them in the card. Now obviously I'm in the UK and tipping isn't a thing here, but I loved the idea of that. So and obviously I do get out to the States fairly regularly, so I do obviously tip there because it's part of the culture. So yeah, I thought that was a brilliant idea. But 3x3 cards are not something I make very often, and I forget to remember how fabulous they are. So there we go, I'm beginning to get there. So I'm cleaning that off, and then I've got a tube of tissues here, so I can clean that down. Cleaning this off, and then I'm going to come in with shaded spruce, I think. I'll do the same again, a little bit on there. Let's see how dark this is coming out. It's a bit darker than I like, but we'll let it blend off. And just keep colouring. And like I say, this would be a nice, like I say, nice job in front of the telly. Find something to binge on the telly and while away your hours productively. I haven't been able to watch TV with two eyes on it for a very long time though. I'm always doing something else. It could be I'm editing videos, editing reels or photographs or planning. I have a house handbag that it's just a sort of like a bucket bag that wanders around the house with me, and it has my diary in it, but it also has my journal. And I don't want to do that in this colour of green, I don't think. I think I want garden green for these ones. And yeah, it wanders around the house with me, and then in the evenings in front of the TV I start prepping and planning what I'm going to do the next day. I'm just going to put that away because I'm going to make a mess otherwise, so I think garden green. Oh yes, that's a nice green. It's going to take ages to fill this one in, I think. I'm going to flood that a bit more, I think. That's better. Yeah, my house handbag wanders around the house with me. It's got a pencil case, and it's got my diary in it, my journal, which has my planning books and stuff. Maybe that was a bit too flooded. Oops. And yeah, so I'm always productive in the evenings, but this could be even more productive by making a whole batch of these. I don't know how long are we on? We're on not even 9 minutes. Okay, clean that off. And I'm going to zoom back out so that I can put these together. And clean that off because we're now very glittery and messy. Move that out of the way, and I can start putting these together. So I might put them that way round. Because I am going to add embellishments to this. Oh, I haven't coloured in the black spots on my ladybirds. Oh, I need to come and do that. Oops. Right, where's my black. So this is a Stampin' Right marker. And I need to check my Jellycat to see if they have got black heads, haven't they? Yes. I have a ladybird Jellycat just sat to the right of me. I am going to add embellishments to this as well, because I can. So the Springtime Scenes are an online exclusive. So they are get it while you can products. And I love this one. I think it's charming. There we go. That's better, isn't it? And then to finish off, I want my ladybird. What are they called? Embellishments. Right. Oh, I'm having an awful trouble at the minute lifting up embellishments. They don't want to play. They want to go firing all over the place. So I'm just going to add one onto each of these. It's sticking to me. There we go. And like I say, a little bit of a white panel inside. And those are a trio of nice little cards just to have on hand in less than 12 minutes, bar the cutting in advance. But yeah, less than 12 minutes and a nice little trio of cards made. And hopefully you can see the glittery. You can probably see it on that one best of all. But I think they're really sweet. You brighten my day, celebrate new beginnings and sweet springtime. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.